Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to pimp your sink. That's right, pimp your sink. So we're going to transform the old strainer, this ghetto one, to this new fancy one. So much bigger and better. That's right, bigger and better is always better. A towel to remove excess water. We'll need Teflon tape, 1/2-inch flathead. Unfortunately, I don't have one, but this will do. And an oil filter plier for just in case to remove the body if it gets too tight. This install is very easy to do. You don't need to be a plumber to do this. You don't need to be a professional. Hopefully your sink looks similar to mine so you can follow the steps. So mine looks like this underneath. Pretty basic. So I'm going to place a towel underneath the sink just in case. Just in case if it leaks, you have something there to catch you. Now you'll need your 1/2-inch flathead to loosen the center screw, which I don't have. I'm going to use this for now. Once you have it loose, you can loosen it with your fingers. Now I'm going to remove this main body. I'm going to take all this apart, loosen this and this part. This part should have came off easily, but it's not coming off. Whoever installed this, they use silicone to surround the base to seal it. I'll have to pry it off. There, that was easy. The oil filter plier came in handy. Now I have to clean off the silicone residue. Don't want to leave any behind, or else it can cause water leaks. Make sure it's nice and clean. Wipe the surface dry. Now I'm going to clean the bottom of it. Okay, after the bottom is cleaned out, now I want to prepare my next step. We'll set these aside. We'll need this to go on top of the sink, and this will stay on the bottom. Next, I'm going to take this off and clean the insides. Now this is nice and clean. The rubber gasket is free from debris. I'm going to put this back. Now I'm going to put some plumber's tape 3 to 4 times around. Shouldn't have to, but I'm going to put it just in case. I don't want any water leaks. Remember to do this clockwise, so when you screw it on, it won't come off. Now for the next step, put this rubber gasket in the bottom. Now I'm going to screw this on. Hand tight is fine. I think if you tighten too much, it'll strip. Should be enough pressure to keep the water out. Now you want to put your rubber gasket in. Now I'm going to put the metal strainer in. Put the foam gasket on first. Make sure it's centered. Once you have your metal strainer in, you want to push the main body up, turn this down a little bit if you have to, just so the main body doesn't slide back down when you put on the screw. Now I'm going to put the screw in. Now I'm going to tighten the screw with my 1/2-inch flathead. I want to make sure my foam gasket is centered. I don't want to see any white parts sticking out if I can. Make it look good. So as you tighten the screw, it should suck up the plastic main body nice and tight to the sink. Having a nice seal so no water leaks. The screw is now nice and tight. There should be enough suction so the water doesn't leak through the sides. If the screw is nice and tight, there shouldn't be any water leaking from here. Now I'm going to do the last step, tying this. Now we're gonna put in the last part, the basket, the strainer cover. Boom, that's how you pimp your sink. This thing is so cool, you can show your friends and family when they come over. So pimp.